a sailing yacht that can transform into a plane thanks to its 4 mobile masts. The sails are retracted and the 4 masts are lowered to become wings. This model was manufactured at the Aerocoché plant in the water sports facilities of Salles-sur-Serroux, in the Tarn French département. It was designed for the Princes Aziz, Dawood and Hashim, corporate executives of the Masqat Airways air transport company, and allows them to enjoy sailing along the Omani coastline with its 600-kilometer range in the plane version. 4 dual propellers, Nissen and Brasseur, powerhead engines are taking care of the propulsion in plane mode. The propulsion is provided by the sails of the 4 masts in boat mode. The surface of the sails is 1,302 square m. Each mast can be individually oriented through a double jack system that ensures an optimal positioning regardless of the wind direction. In order to transform into wings, the masts must be lowered in horizontal position. The sails will then go to storage compartments located inside each mast. The 4 masts are lifted and lowered by a set of 4 shrouds set up on 2 central masts. The yacht has 2 main decks, a half deck in the aft and another half deck in the fore for the cockpit. Access inside the boat is through 2 doors located above the aft floats. The lower deck features a main room, a kitchen, a toilet and a storage room. The main room's floor is above the sea level, so that the windows can be just above the boat's waterline. The upper deck features 3 rooms and a bathroom. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.